Intro? What intro? Hi everyone, welcome to unboxing of the Razer Basilisk. Now this is Razer's latest addition to their never-ending lineup of mice for FPS gamers, first-person shooters. For those of you who are not familiar with that, front of the packaging displays the mouse, and it says it's their all-new ergonomic form factor optimized for FPS gaming. You have the powered by Razer Chroma logo here, so that means that the mouse itself has RGB lighting, and that's about it at the front of the box. At the back, you have a 16,000 dpi 5G optical sensor for industry-leading FPS precision. Then you have, this is very cool, it has a customizable scroll wheel resistance. So you have a side button, which, what are they calling it? They're calling it a clutch. They're calling it a removable DPI clutch. So let's say you don't use that button, you can take it off and you can customize it however you like. There are multiple images of buttons here, so I'm assuming that they've given you multiple choices for buttons. So let's just get this thing out of the box. And standard Razer packaging. I should be used to this by now, but I'm not. For some reason it confuses me every time. Never mind. Razer stickers. Why in the green? Oh. Stickers. I've seen these before. Oh, come on. There. There we go. So there you go. That is your mouse, and these are the buttons that they were talking about. Okay, let's take a look at that later. So it's quite comfortable actually. Very comfortable. It doesn't feel like any other Razer mouse that we're all accustomed to. Then you have, okay, how many buttons does it have? This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 buttons total. Okay, so the resistance adjustment, take that off, is on the bottom of the mouse. So there's a positive and a negative sign there. So I'm assuming positive increases there. Increases the amount of resistance, and the negative decreases. So that's a free-flowing wheel. It's not like Logitech's Infinite Scroll. It just takes the notches away. The mouse wheel is a lot easier to pull down, and this gives you a very tactile mouse wheel there. Then again, the bottom, you have a profile button. So I'm assuming that's for setting different profiles for different games. So let's say you have one set up for Overwatch and one set up for CSGO or Call of Duty, something like that. You can set multiple profiles using that button. Then, moving on to the side of the mouse, you have this removable button essentially. So that is magnetic. It's really well designed there. So what this does is it acts as a snipe button. So if you want to, let's say, make very accurate movements and you want to switch your DPI really low for a certain amount of time, then you can just hold on to that button and it'll switch from whatever increment you set it to, or decrement. Let's say from 1000 to 600, you just press that button and it'll switch to 600, and as soon as you let it go, it'll switch back to 1000. So for that button, you have, since it's removable, you have multiple physical buttons. So there's one longer one, so the lengths of these are varying. There's one that's about half an inch, and then one that's about, well, half an inch. 1/4 of an inch.
Cool.
1/4 inch. And then you have essentially a shield. It's a rubber button, which, let's say you don't use this button, then you can just shield that part of the mouse. What else? You have your standard braided cable, which is about, well, I think the standard length, yeah, it's about 1.2 meters, about 6 feet. Yeah, it's nicely braided, comes with that rubber cable tie. What else? That's about it, really. Thanks for checking out our unboxing and overview of the Razer Basilisk. For more great content, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And like the video if you like it. Don't dislike it. One of you is already disliking it. It's so not cool. Also, check us out on Facebook for latest product updates and stalk us on Instagram if you want.